Overview. The project automates product releases and PMR cycles with SharePoint Online and PowerApps, tracking phases and updating dashboards. Technologies used: SharePoint, PowerApps, Power Automate, PowerBake. Flow of the application: data management, product release dates in SharePoint. App creation, monthly updates via PowerApps. Phases, track stage in out and delays. Publishing, PMR Cycle app updates data, dashboards, visual insights with Power BI. What have we implemented? PowerApps, automated data entry. Power BI, real-time visual reports, database enhancements, efficient data retrieval. Integration, SAP Sync for validation. Problem identified. No regional differentiation in PMR process. Slow data access from Excel files, lack of real-time porting and insights. Actions taken: automated system for regional CFNs, enhanced data access with SharePoint PowerApps, improved accuracy with SAP Integration. Benefits of implementing: efficiency, time saving with automated processes; accuracy, improved data validation with SharePoint Power BI; insights, quick access to actionable reports; integration, seamless SAP sync and regional support; visibility, clear overview of PMR cycle and launches. Challenges: automation effort, transition from manual to automated processes, data management, consistent data storage and retrieval; user training, adapting users to the new system. For detailed consultation, contact us.